Ada Cardano has a secret, a hidden secret that tells us the price of Cardano could move up and, quite frankly, should move up. And it's all because of this one particular leading indicator that has been discussed in the past, but really has been on a massive uptick recently. And perhaps the price of Cardano is lagging in terms of where it should be, where it could be based on this indicator. Well, that could be bullish for us because we love cheap crypto on discount prices. And Cardano, one of the assets that I love, and I love the real world use case, the leadership, everything Cardano stands for, the partnerships they've inked, the network growth, the development happening. But this particular indicator has something to do with their total value locked. And we're going to dive into it in this video, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Very, very grateful for you. And let's dive in because a lot of interesting insights here. I've got a lot of things highlighted. So want to go over some of these things. Make sure you're aware of them. And if you're into Cardano, you're definitely going to love this because very, very interesting things happening. Now, Dan Gambardello, easy for me to say, founder of Crypto Capital Venture, popular YouTuber as well, very, very popular when it comes to Cardano. He names a potential trigger for this, and it's the Cardano DeFi ecosystem inflows. What does all this mean? Okay, so Gambardello states that the growth in TVL on Cardano proves to be the most obvious leading indicator of the incoming Cardano price increase. So what's happening? Is the TVL just exploding here and the price isn't catching up? Well, kind of. The growing total value locked on Cardano, he says, will prove to be the most obvious leading indicator of the upcoming ADA price pop. Cardano's total value locked, or TVL, denominated in ADA, keeps growing, setting new highs of 420.26 million ADA back on March the 22nd. According to data from DeFi Llama, Cardano's TVL stands at nearly 144 million. Now, the value is even greater when staking is taken into account, coming in at about 155 million. This is one of the things we've always loved about Cardano, guys. Most people stake, and development is always on the rise. Now, Cardano's price has been kind of stuck somewhere between about 35 and 40 cents, seemingly for all of 2023. And really, that's exactly what it's looked like. Now, why is Cardano's TVL important? So here we go. The overall value of crypto assets deposited in a decentralized finance system, or DeFi system, or in a DeFi protocol in general, is known as the TVL. A rise in a DeFi platform's TVL is often followed by an increase in liquidity and other factors that support the project's success. Some analysts believe that the DeFi TVL might be used to determine whether the associated currency is priced fairly. So in this case, given the rise in TVL and no rise in the price, we could actually make the argument that Cardano is severely undervalued, underappreciated, and underpriced right now because of the lack of connection between the TVL and its market cap, which is a good thing for Cardano long term because the price has yet to really represent all of this TVL, total value locked. So this is a leading indicator that shows us there could be some bullish days ahead and bullish weeks and months and years ahead for the future price of Cardano. Appreciate you guys as always. If you got some value here in this video, no, we're not talking about total value locked. If you got some other value in this video, make sure you let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe down below, drop a comment. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.